Liza Soberano muling ginulat ang lahat matapos sa kanyang vlog at doon ay mayroon pa nga itong patapon o paslice ng cake kung saan sinasabi niya ang mga tao na sa palagay niya ay hindi nakatulong sa kanya. Ako lang ba or did she say to OG Diaz? Ilang mga netizen ang nag-assume na ang isa sa slice ng cake na itinapon ni Liza Soberano sa nasabing vlog ay si OG Diaz or name nito ay si OG. Kaya naman ito ay tinakal ni OG Diaz sa kanyang YouTube channel kasama ang kanyang mga co-hosts sa nasabing YouTube at doon na ibinahagi ni OG Diaz sa kanyang saloobin. Naniniwala daw si OG Diaz na hindi siya ang tinutukoy ni Liza Soberano dito at baka ang tita nito na nag-alaga sa kanya nung hindi pa nga ito nag-aartista at the same time ay naging co-manager din ni OG Diaz. Anyway, ayon kay OG Diaz, ang masasabi niya ay nalulungkot at naaawa siya kay Liza Soberano dahil napakalaki daw ng ipinagbago nito at hindi mo na nga daw mababakas ang dating Liza. Ayon din kay OG Diaz, anytime na kailanganin siya ng dating inaalagaan ay ready siya at nandun siya. Nakakalungkot din ang nangyari kay Liza Soberano at Enrique Hill na naghiwalay. But anyway, narito ang big revelation ng nasabi nga pong YouTube ni OG. Isang Bea ang nagngangalan at isinuwalat ang tunay na nangyari kaila Enrique Hill at Liza Soberano. And this time ay kakaawaan nyo ang aktor na si Enrique. Ayon kay Bea, "Hi Liza Soberano, you're out here promoting mental health, but your actions show the opposite. How can you claim to stand as a mental health advocate while dating Jeffrey O who scams and manipulate people? Let me share one story. What many don't realize is that it should have been Gwen by Liza's side today, not Jeffrey O. Back during the pandemic, they had already begun exploring Hollywood agencies for Liza with a shared dream of positioning her for an international career. The plan was for them to go through this journey together, as Liza had long expressed her desire to return to the US and be closer to her family there. Gwen was actually willing to sacrifice his own career in PH just to be with Liza. All that was missing was marriage, and in fact the belongings from Visalia, where they stayed for many months, while Liza underwent finger surgery, were the very things meant for the home they had planned to share after getting married and moving to the US. But the future never materialized. Instead, Liza fell in love with Jeffrey O, and what was once meant to be a shared chapter with Gwen slowly unraveled into the story we now see unfolding. Gwen eventually packed up the belongings from Visalia and had them shipped to the PA. Liza had a hard time finding a Hollywood agency until fate intervened. Careless happened. From then on, she and Jeffrey O were inseparable. What began as a professional relationship slowly blurred into something more, reshaping not just her career but also her love life with Gwen. During the early meetings with Careless, Jeff personally spoke to Gwen, asking him to keep the relationship private. The strategy, he explained, was to gradually detach Liza from the love team and rebrand her with an identity of her own. Gwen resisted at first, unwilling to hide what they had built together, but in the end, it was Liza's pleas that convinced him, and that sacrifice meant to make her happy became the very choice that slowly pulled them apart, both in public and in private. It was Jeff's idea to have both Liza and Ken on board into Careless, something he even discussed with James. Ken almost joined but luckily he didn't. At the time, Jeff was still in a long-term relationship, and in the beginning, Ken's own squad even hung out with him. At sa patuloy na kwento na yan ni Bea, ayon sa kanya, hanggang sa tuluyan nang nagkahiwalay si Liza Soberano at itong si Enrique Hill, at doon ay ginawa niya nang office ang Careless. At until now, ay namamata ang magkasama si Liza at si Jeff, ang sinasabi ng mga netizen. Well, may malaking revelation pa si Bea at ito nga ang aabangan. Ang tanong nga nila OG, sino si Bea sa buhay ni Enrique at Liza na tila alam na alam niya ang tunay na nangyari sa relasyon ng dalawa. Nasira dahil sa mataas na pangarap ni Liza Soberano. Habang ang mga netizen ay nahabag kay Enrique Hill at sabi nila, it shows Enrique's character as a man, a total gentleman. He deserves a better woman to be with forever. Si Liza ang isang tao na mataas ang pangarap pero sana wag siyang mag-aya sa ibang nasa Hollywood at pag-alalagala na lang sa kalsada at yung iba sinira ang mukha or nagpakamatay. Kung ako sa kanya, gawin niyang center ng buhay niya ang Diyos, dun siya magkakaroon ng peace of mind at direction. Opinion ko lang. Problem with that publicity is hope. She doesn't want to be called Liza. Ask for people to mind their business and yet she posted her pain in public platform. Isn't that contradicting? If she want people to not mind her business, then she should live a private life. Nakakabilib ka, Mama Ogs, para kang kawayan, ika nga, tumatayog pero mas yumuyuko kaya pinagpapala. Salute. Liza needs to pray more. Yun lang ang only way na ma-forgive niya lahat at maalis ang hatred sa heart niya. Kaya pala ungrateful siya kasi nalunod ang heart niya sa galit. Pray more, girl, and let God renew you. Well, ano masasabi niyo about dito? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.